Neptune's name are you two on about now?
Are you guys having some kind of contest? Can I join?
Yeah, this sounds like fun.
This be getting out of hand. You're disturbing me customers.
Wait. I know what this is. You're competing to see who can go the longest.
Oh yeah, the winner gets to be called the best microwave ever.
That's it. I've had enough of your nonsense. Get off me property before I call the cops.
But Mr. Krabs, we're just trying to have a little friendly competition.
You be such a big kill.
Friendly? You call that friendly? You're scaring away all me paying customers with your incessant win?
Come on, Mr. Krabs, lighten up. It's all in good fun.
Yeah, besides of all the free entertainment for your customers' mates.
Fine, but keep it down or I'll toss you both in the dumpster.
Let's settle this once and for all. On the count of 3, you both start moving as loud and long as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3.